Everyone, I was just finishing up packing a Mountain Mat bundle deal and I thought maybe you'd like to see what's inside these. Our bundle deals are one of our most popular products because they are such a good value and they have our most popular size, which is the 5x7. When you order the bundle deal, you get a mat, a carry bag, and a set of sand stakes, which retail value is $124, but we sell it for $99, which is 20% off. So that's a pretty good deal. This bundle deal is going to Amanda in Montana, and the order came in yesterday. I packed it up this morning, and UPS gets it this afternoon. The first item in the bundle deal is the carry bag, and I'm not going to open this one because it's new, but here's one of ours that's already open. So I hope you can see that these are thicker quality canvas designed to withstand like getting wet and stuff like that. And then the stitching on the handles is double stitched and reinforced. And it has a nice pocket here that you can put stuff in. So these bags are designed to hold two 5x7. So if you do buy the bundle deal and it comes with one bag and you decide you want a second mat, you don't need to get a second bag because the two can fit in there. The second item is a set of our sand stakes, and you don't need these all the time, but if you're ever in a windy environment, they are fantastic. They'll keep your mat from flying away. I'm not going to open up Amanda's stakes because I've got some already open. So here's our sand stakes. They come in a little fabric bag. It's nothing special, but it will hold the dirt in. And then you get 4 of these plastic stakes, and they're pretty big. They're meant for sand or soft soil. And they can just go through either if you have a grommet, or on our 5x7s, we have little stake loops, little fabric loops, and they'll just tack in there. And these are super great for anytime there's wind picking up, or if you just want to make sure you don't have a tripping hazard with your mat. So that's them. I just keep them in the front pocket of that bag in case I need them. It's nice to have. Biggest part of the bundle deal is, of course, our 5x7 mat, and it comes any of the colors that you want. The bundle deals are for each one of them. Amanda chose our gray with cream border. It's reversible, and it's actually our most popular color. Next is the gray lattice. So this, I'm not obviously going to open it because it's brand new, but I think I'll put a picture or something of it up there for you. Amanda, if you're watching, I've got your package. I'm just finishing up putting it together. We'll drop it at the UPS store this afternoon, and we ship it by ground, so you should be getting it in about 3 to 4 business days.